Every flight has a vision. In Taiwan, that vision takes flight with agility, precision, and innovation. From agriculture and disaster relief to inspections and deliveries, Taiwan's drones are built to carry out tasks precisely. Powered by Taiwan's outstanding electronics, ICT, and manufacturing capabilities, our drones are modular, lightweight, and smart. They integrate advanced avionics, energy-efficient batteries, and 5G connectivity to enable autonomous flights and real-time AI analytics. Taiwan offers more than products, it delivers total solutions. From flexible systems integration to reliable support, Taiwan empowers customization and scale. With certifications worldwide and strong supply chains, Taiwan is your trusted partner in drone innovation. Taiwan, your global partner for intelligent unmanned solutions.